It is 2023. Maybe you've made some resolutions, maybe you haven't, but we've got registered dietitian, diabetes educator, and national spokesperson for the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, Grace Derocha, with us to help you if a resolution is here, it's present, and you want to get it done, because a lot of times people just are failing at these.
Yeah.
Right?
Happy New Year.
Yes.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Oh, I'm so happy to be here with you. So, by 6 weeks, 25% of resolutions are completely done. Over, we tried, we're done.
We tried, we gave up, no dice.
Right. Here's the good news.
Yeah.
It doesn't have to be major, drastic things, right? We can be a smarty pants and make some SMART goals. And these include the activities that lead up to the goal, right? So a lot of people have a goal, but then they don't have a plan.
Right. And I think that's the key. You really have to be, we'll start with the S, right? Specific.
Yes. Specific and significant to your life.
Okay.
Right? So thinking about what that S is and how to make that happen.
Okay.
Right? The M, making it measurable or memorable.
Okay.
Right?
Either one or both.
Or a little bit of both.
Sure.
Right. A, so A has a lot. It can be accountability.
Sure.
It could be adjustable, something that's attainable.
Yes.
Or action-oriented. That's a big one that people don't usually say, because what you notice, you can look up anything on the internet, think, I'm gonna do this diet, this is what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drink more water, but what is the action? People know things, but then they don't apply it to take it into action.
Yeah, how is this going to fit into my life? What do I need to do to make this happen?
Yeah.
Okay. R.
So realistic, recordable, and relevant.
Okay.
You know, if you're working on your heart health, maybe pick something that will help you with your heart health. Maybe it's adding some fish to your diet.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
T.
Okay.
Trackable.
Okay.
Or time bound or time oriented.
So yeah, so give yourself, 6 months to get to a specific point.
Right.
And then move on from there.
Yes.
Okay. And so now I and E, like SMART goals, that's been around.
Yes.
But you add your own flair. So now we've got an I and an E. So what's I?
I is that it's something immediate.
Okay.
Right, so you could start today. So maybe it's drinking, this is water, drinking some water.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Right?
Right? Drinking more water. You could do that right now.
Okay.
So thinking about it that way. E, this is the best one, that it's exciting or enjoyable or potentially everlasting for your life.
Okay.
And
that can be kind of hard to make that goal. How do you do that? Explain how you're going to make that happen.
Do you have a goal?
Oh, I always have a goal. I mean, I always want to get healthier. I want to get stronger.
Yeah.
You know, I want to keep, I try, but I need to do better, right?
Right. So let me give you some examples for the people. And you can steal from this, you can use it, you can play with it and make it your own. But let's use water. Let's say someone wants to drink more water.
Sure.
I literally talk to people that don't drink any. So maybe it's to drink 24 ounces, at least 24 ounces of water, at least 5 days a week.
Okay.
And how are we gonna do that? Maybe we're gonna get one of these.
Yeah.
So then we know, what is this? We're gonna drink, this is probably close to 30 degree.
I don't know.
Something.
Okay.
So you're gonna drink at least one of these a day to start.
Sure.
And then you continue to progress. And what you'll notice is, one, you have to go to the bathroom more.
True story.
So you're getting up more, so you're moving more. But then you also notice you feel better.
Yeah.
People tell me all the time, I have more energy, my skin's better.
It's a huge deal.
My hair, I'm happier.
Right.
Take it.
Even going to the bathroom more. I get more steps in my day.
Exactly.
So, and I really do think too that, if somebody's had that overarching, I want to lose more weight, they really, really have to
dial it into action.
Right.
Because everyone, that's one of the biggest goals for New Year's resolutions is I want to lose weight.
Sure.
But what does that actually mean? And what do you have to do to make it happen?
It takes work. It takes planning. I mean, that's the thing, is I think people are just like, this is, it's willy-nilly. If you approach it like that, it's not going to work.
And it's at least 21 days to build a habit.
Okay.
At least.
All right. So don't give up on yourself.
Be a smarty.
Be a smarty pants. Drink more water, get more healthy, get your finances in order, fix all the things.
Sleep more. It can be a number of things.
It could be, right? We all need to sleep more too. That's also on my list. All right, Grace. Well, gosh, we appreciate your insight. Thank you so much. And we'll put all of these on our website because there are so many different ideas and ways to approach this. So we really appreciate it. And you'll be helping us with the eating healthy part as the month goes on. So we appreciate it. Thank you so much. Happy New Year.